hold on, hold on. Is this? Oh.
Twitch sound alerts, @programmer_Jeff. There's a new update coming to sound alerts, but we need some permissions. Please log in at link to dashboard.
Dun 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 dun. Dun dun dun. Bum 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 ba 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 ba. Main Doom People version of the ba da ba da ba da. What is the name of this file again? Main_Doom People. Oh, it's in cleanup anyways. Pretty sure it's B, right? No, it's 3. Okay. So what is B? I think it's this one. Where is it? I don't see anything. Oh, I see. I use the matrix. Okay. Computer? Oh. That's why. There we go. To the stars we ride, da 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 da, and better cosmos wide, a night with pride. Dun, 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 dun. Whoa. I forgot I could do that. Oh, that's cool. Find our ways. Under the stars we ride. Neon lights our guide. The does most wide ignite the light with pride. Dun 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 dun. Bum 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 bum. Dun 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 dun. Under the stars we ride, a neon lights our guide, and in the most wide at night, the night with pride. Nation float rolls. Bam 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 bam. We should kind of redo this one. Excuse me. Pardon me. Excuse me. So we should redo this one. In the we don't have I am GUI in here, but we can easily put it in. I don't know that I want I am GUI just at the beginning. Here's another thing. And never fret to bind. Okay, so let's copy this. Just to save it. And this was the idea for the sprite tool, so we're just going to put that in there. Sprite selection, that seems interesting. So we'll copy that. World with blocks, dun 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 and bright. Bum 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 bum. Bum 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 bum. Oh. Dun 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 dun. Oh, was that why the oh. Oh, hold on. Dumb in a pixel stream where our dreams collide. Oh, they have spaces in a lot of them. Bum 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 but of inspiration. Ba ba da bum bum. Bum ba da bum. All right, let's do something here. Wait, computer, go back. You need to open as an administrator. Son of a bean dip, computer. There would be long. Come on, do it right. There we go. Okay. Computer, I want some help. Where the pixels stream, where our dreams collide. Let's do some PowerShell real quick. I know I'm all over the place right now. I just had coffee, so bear with me. Okay, in PowerShell, inspiration. Ba-da-da-da-dun. Ba-da-da-da-da-da. Ba-da-ba-da-dream. Ba-da-ba-bum. Ba-da-da-da-ba-da. Where we belong to paint. Ba-da-da, thumbs fly. In the pixel stream where our dreams collide. They collide, baby. Go to the beat. In the pixel stream, in the pixel stream where our dreams collide. Dun 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 dun. Where'd it go? What happened? That's a good song. I like that song. Bruh. To the beat. In the pixel strife. In the pixel stream where our dreams collide. Bum 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 bum. Okay, paste it in there. Alright. And then go like that. Is the next song the very next one? Oh, Code the World, okay. In digital sea we flow. Lines of code we row. Dreams by the light of Get all the files recursively in the given directory. Path directory recursive file for each object. Replace that with that. Bam bam ba ba bam 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 ba bam bam bam. To make the pixels dance. Code the world with joy and thunder. Hack the night with worlds to plunder. Spark. Shaded dreams by the light of a Oh, cool. Computer, what are you doing? Wait, what? Joy and thunder. Okay. By the light of thunder. So let's go into here. What's going on? Computer. To the coding scene. Move as one. In this journey we have fun. Nice. Nice. Okay. We couldn't, yeah, I know. It's alright, it's alright. That is really nice. So, what am I doing? Code beats. Code to the beat 1. This one I want. So let's just copy it from there into here. I already have it there. Okay, good. Okay. Here. So now what I need to do is go into Stellaris here and get all the new ones, because now these don't have spaces. They don't have spaces in the names. Okay? Okay? No spaces in the names. So where's my Twitch overlay? And it's right here. Actually, what I could probably do is just like this. Hold on. Throughout here, can we just go like this? No. Computer, edit, find and replace. Quick replace. There we go. Space with nothing. Do it. Okay. I bet you that'll work now. Computer, what are you doing? Get this off the screen. What are you doing? You think you're doing? Get out of here. Okay, computer. Go to the bottom. There. There. What is this computer doing? Okay, it's working now. Save that. Okay, let's go into here real quick. Just real quick. Real quick. Computer, real quick. Over here. I'm not even on my own Twitch. I'm not even on my own Twitch. I know. I don't know why I'm so hyped about this. Whatchamacallit. Okay. So now if we go playlist, right? Oh, it's not enabled. So, allow songs. Now we can go playlist. Okay, we'll see how long that goes. I assume it'll work now, because I think it was running across one that had a space in the name and then stopping. So we'll see how that goes. Boom, 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 boom. So in the future, when I'm using this for my overlay, we're just not going to have spaces in the names, which is apparently fine. You know, as it goes through the playlist, it would be nice if it would send a message to chat of what song is playing. That'd be kind of cool, wouldn't it? Why do I keep updating my chat overlay? I'm supposed to be making a video game. Sheesh, Jeff. You're never going to get anything done. Never going to get anything done around here. Okay, so let's keep this one. Let's just go like this. We'll make a new thing here. Since it's all contained within the actual, let's see, main. There we go. And then this one. And then copy that. Okay. Now, when I go into here, I'm just going to go here and go like that. Flocking. I don't remember flocking being that exceptional. Okay. Anyways, so take those out. We're just going to take all this out. Da, da. Position, four float vector color, size, 2 vector type. Oh, and a rotation. Why do we have a type in there? The type? 'Cause what do we actually do? Oh, switch based on type. There's only one type. There's only one case for the switch. I copied this from another. This wasn't. This was made. This was originally made with an old version of my. The beginnings of like. I guess you could say a game engine, but more properly, probably an OpenGL workflow. I guess workflow makes more sense. Version 4 or 5. I don't think we need that either. We don't have to go all the way up to that, but it doesn't matter. Okay, so this is all fine. Program point size, multi-sample, line width 5. We don't draw lines, but we might for the platform, whatever. Miscellaneous stuff.pmg, fine. Okay, this is all the fragment shader stuff, draw stuff, shader program. So vector MC, what's that? Oh, the mouse coordinates. Oh, that's... Oh, okay, that is sent through to the shader. Okay. And then the texture, and then the points. Okay, so the texture... Hold on. I want to go look at that mouse thing in a second. That's just a uniform variable. Okay, so when you add points, it's keeping... Oh, this was the old way to do this. Yeah, I moved on from this because it's so awkward to keep track of all that, with all that math, just to keep track of your points. So anyways, we could upgrade that, but I don't know if we necessarily will. We could. I think what we're mostly interested in is the shader. So this uniform left, right, and then mouse chord. Okay, so left, right was updated. I saw that down here, I think. So I update the shader right from the button callback. Okay. Oh, I reference OpenGL shader program that way. Okay, that's cool. That's fine. This is good. Let's chill for just a second. And I noticed the music stopped as well, so that's kind of... It only played the first song again, and I wonder why. I wonder. Okay, I'll be right back. So that's kind of getting me situated. There isn't a song playing. Hold on. There is not a song playing. Okay. Let's see, where do I even go? Oh, here we go. That was quick. Get me in there, computer. Go. Run. Start. Okay. I found my old Nokia 3310. Yay. That dream, its keyboard has only 12 keys. Oh, that kind of Nokia 3310. Using the phone, you had to press the key once. To key 2, what? To write an A, you need to press twice to key 3 to write an E. Yeah, I know. For each message, give the sequence of numbers to press to write it with this phone. Okay. A message with capital letters and spaces to write. The sequence of keys to press. Oh, okay. So we want to out an integer. But for now, let's go like that. So that'll print out the message like that. Okay, so what we want to do is minus capital letter. Okay, this one looks better. Because it's, oh, negative 33. Okay. In the mind, into the bind. The stars aligned. How do you do a space? HELLO 0 is space? Okay. Okay, so say for example the 13, right? So it starts at 2. So letter is this, it's 13. So how do we get 13 to n, right? So the first one, so each one just divide by 3, right? So letter divided by 3, that's going to give 4. So 2 plus that, so we need to go letter divided by 3, and then we need to floor it. Actually, what is letter divided by 3? Does it even do a float? Okay. So how do I get the remainder? Four, 1, 4, 2. Okay, so we want to go like this. 4 int j equals 0. J is less than. And then we're going to go letter mod 3. J plus plus. And then computer. Okay, letter divided by 3. So in this case, it's going to print that right there. So we want to go 2 plus that, because the first one is going to be 2. Okay, so now we have 6, 6, 6. Okay, so and actually the other way around. We're going to go plus 1. Or we can just go equals. Equals. And that gives us everything. So then we just don't print this. And did we get it? Okay. What are we missing? What? It put in an extra 9. H-E-L-L-O-W. So W, oh, because 7 is 1 there. Oh, good grief. Really? Really? I don't want to do it. Darn that 7. Okay, so we need some kind of interloping, some kind of exception here. So if letters out for that, okay, so right here, C out 2 plus letter divided by 3. Now, if, so what's W, or wait, what's 2 plus, so 5. So if letter divided by 3, okay, if letter divided by 3 is less than 5. That won't do that one. That'll solve that one though. And it'll solve this one. No, it won't solve that one. Why? What? Why? Oh, because it goes above that. Okay, you're right. You're right. You're fine. You're fine. Okay, bruh. Okay, so this one's fine, except for it's not doing this right. Son of a bean dip and flapjacks and if statements and all kind of stuff going on and everything. I tell you, what's wrong with the world? What's wrong with people? Why are you this way? Standard output stream found expected. Okay, so it stops at 7. That's fine. That's fine. Bro, that is fine. That is fine, bro. No, I'm just kidding. So we're going to go less than equal to 5. It's okay. It's okay. Calm down. Everything's fine. So I wonder what my percentage would be if I just end it right now. So this part should do the 7s, but it won't have enough 7s because it doesn't do the final one. Okay, so if it's less than 5, we do that. So if it's greater than 5, then we have to do all kind of stuff here. So then we need to figure out if it's 5, 6, or 7. Okay. Wait, if it's less than 5, or, so let's just go right here. Else, then we're just going to go int a equals letter divided by 3, because I'm just sick of this right now. I'm sick of it. If a is less than 5, okay, or a is equal to 6. Okay, and then we can leave the else there right now. We're going to go like this. So it should do an 8. Okay, good. Okay, so now we just need to cover the 7 and 9, which is right in here. So we're just going to go for int j equals 0, j is less than or equal to letter. In this case, wait, what? Because what we want to know is, oh yeah, we want to know letter divided by 3. So we want to go letter. Okay. I can't think. All we have to do is a is equal to letter divided by 3, right? So we can use a different form of letter up here. We can go, because we know that at this point it's going to be either 7 or 9, right? So letter is either 16, right? 16, 17, 18, or 19. Okay, so 16 to 19. Or it's going to be 20, 22, 3, 4, 5, 6, or 23 and up. Okay, so 16 and up, 23 and up. Okay. So what do we do? So then all we have to do is just go j is less than letter. I don't know. 2 plus letter, but okay, that's, yeah. I'm already lost. My brain is just, I am completely lost. And I know exactly what I'm doing, but it's just bizarre to think about that. Isn't that bizarre? What happens? You just get completely lost, and yet you know what you're doing. Okay, so if letter is greater than or equal to 16 and letter is less than or equal to 19, then good grief. Whew. Sheesh. And then we'll just go here. If letter is greater than or equal to 23, 24, 25, 26. Okay, so that's both of those cases right there. So we're just going to go right here. So we're just going to do, now what did I do before? Letter equals message minus that. So we're just going to see out 2 plus letter divided by 3. Well, in this case, we know it's 7. So we're just going to go 4 int I, no, let's go j equals 0. J is less than letter minus 15, right? So if it's 16, we're going to get 1, right? And then we're going to go j plus plus. Then we're going to see out, and we know it's the number 7. Phew. And then this one, we're going to do a similar thing here, only we're just going to go letter minus 20, 3, 4, 5, 6, 3, 4, 5, 6, so minus 22. And then we're going to out, yeah, I just did 2 there. Okay, that helps. And we're just going to go 9 right there. Okay. Talk about your stress. Uh-oh. And that one doesn't work. So 7, we don't have enough 7s. So what if there's just 1, right? What if it's 16? Then we just want 1, 7, right? What's this one? P? So P should just be 1, 7. P and then R should be 3. Oh, but so R was not doing it? Why is R not doing it? R minus 15. R is 16, 17, 18, so it should be 18 minus 15. J is less than, so it should print 3 of them, and it only print 1? Why? Why? Weird. I don't know. And we're screwed. We're done. We have a minute. We are done. Yeah, it's the 7s. Is it also the 9s? Because look, it doesn't look like there's enough 9s there either. So is it just one more? What? Oh. Equal? Is it just that? Scared. 7, not enough 7s the first one. What the hell, bruh? I don't know, we're screwed. We're absolutely screwed. 50%. Good luck, bro. Damn. What the hell is wrong with my brain? Nothing. They didn't get it. Weird. That's such an easy one, though. Don't you think? Don't you think? Oh. Oops. Hold on. Oh, man, that was tough. That was a tough one. Where's the list? Boom, 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 boom. Okay, given a start string and n rewriting rules, apply all the rewriting rules repeatedly until there are no more possible substitutions to make anywhere. Bam, ba, bam, ba, bam, ba, bam. Once a beacon, now a shadow, burned by the fire of love, sorrow. Nothing but just earth below. Lost tomorrow. Bam 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 ba da da bam 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 ba da da bam 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 ba da da bam bam bam. Each rewriting rule consists of a search string and a replace string. For example, with the start string AEDE, the rule to find E and replace it with BC would result in that. Second rule changing that to that would be that. Finally, with no further rewrites, what? Bum ba bum ba bum ba bum. Once a beacon, now a shadow, burned by the fire of love's sorrow. Bum ba bum ba bum ba dum. Bum 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 ba bum 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 ba bum bum. Bum ba bum bum ba da da dun 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 dun. Search and replace. Okay, so string to replace, replace with. Position equals string find to replace. If position is not equal to the end position, then string replace position to replace dot length replace with. Bam. All right, let me look at this. Let me look at this. Excuse me. Oh, that did not work. Why does that work sometimes and it doesn't? All right, hold on. I gotta. They just, AI is advanced. Is it? I mean, can you hear the question in my voice? It's just 300 baud was the. All right, I like picking on AI because it's so advanced. It should be just. I don't know. It seems so awkward to use. Anyways, okay, so size t. We're gonna use that. Position equals string, which is the start dot find, and then we're going to find search. Okay, now if position is not equal to std standard string, and again another redirection. Okay, there we go, and then it's not equal to the end position, in other words it found it. Then we're going to go start dot replace pos comma to replace what? Computer, what are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing? What is it doing? Okay, so to replace is going to be replace.length, comma, replace with. Wait, what's to replace? Find to, oh, okay, so this is search. So start is going to kind of there, and then right at the end we'll just see out start. Can we do that? Oh, we don't need any of this. Computer, can we do that? One's a beacon, now a shadow. What? So that doesn't work? So start, replace, does that not? Computer. Hi. Oh, it did it once. A, B, C, D, and then E. Oh, wait, what? Oh, we want to do that throughout, so hold on. So we want to do while POS is not equal to std string and POS. And then we want to define, we have to define size t POS out here like this. And then just do that, and then go inside here, and then get rid of. Oh wait, so start with that. Okay. Welcome to the coding sounds. Jeff will make coding sounds indicating he's coding. This will mean coding is taking place. Thank you for your participation. Okay, if that's, we already know that, and then we're just going to replace. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Okay, so that, do that. So we'll do this, and then we'll do it again down here, but we're not going to redeclare it. We're just going to come here and go like this, and then come up here and go like this, and come down here and go like that, and everything. Okay. So that will do it as many times as necessary, and then it finds it and comes out and everything. Now it should work. A, B, E, C, what? So the first one goes E to B, C, B, C, and then it goes C, D, B, E, what? One's a beacon, now a shadow. So C out, start. We're just going to print it along the way. I don't know what you're doing, computer, or why. One's a beacon, now a shadow. So A, B, C, D, B, C, right? And then after the next one, it finds C, D, B, and it swaps it with just E, A, B, E, C. Finally, the first rule can be applied again. Son of a... I'm done. I'm done. I'm out. Good luck. The first rule can be applied again. And actually, I could have done that with a little vector. That could just through the vector. Sin. Sinfulness. Sinfulness lives. Telling you. Supposed to be making a game. Yeah, good luck with that. Given n, print the value of Sn, with 15 decimals. What? S is an infinite product sequence. What? What? Oh my. What? An integer with S in 15 decimal. What? At least I know that it's actually possible, right? Because other people got it. Okay. Oh, that last one was crazy. Or was it the one before? I don't remember. I don't recall. Okay. So what are we supposed to do here? Given n, print the value of s of n with 15 decimals. S is an infinite product sequence. S of 1 equals 2 times 2 divided by f of 1. F of 2, S of 2, F of 2, what? Excuse me. So based on n, we have to figure out f of whatever. Oh, we have to figure out the sequence. And what is n goes to 100? Okay, so can we do like, can we do a vector of floats and call it f, and then do a vector of floats, call it s? So for int I, this is kind of interesting. So for each one you want to figure out f, right? So f is equal to square root of 2. So the first time through, f plus equals, we need C math for this. The square root of 2, right? Why is plus equals an issue? Oh, because we want to have a float in here. New f. Actually, each time through, wait, 2 plus. Oh, what am I doing? We don't even need a loop for the f. It's for the s that we do, I think. Yeah, we're going to need that for the... Oh yeah, we need a loop. I'm just silly. Because we need one for each one. And then we're going to print, we're going to do the new f, okay? And then it's going to equal the square root of 2 plus, oh, inside here, 2 plus I. So the first time it's going to be 2 plus 0, 2 plus 1, 2 plus 2, like that. Or wait a minute. No, it's not that. Oh, it's 2 plus the previous one. Son of a bean dip. But the first time it's the square root of 2. The second time it's the square root of 2 plus the previous f. Oh. So sorry, drinking body armor. So we'd go like this. We'd go the first one, f dot pushback, okay, square root of 2, okay. Next one we're going to go f pushback, the square root of 2 plus f dot size minus 1 right? Okay. Then we'll just start this one at 1. Yeah, I'm probably just going to get this part, and I don't think I'll get the other part, but we'll try it. New f equals square root of 2 plus that right there. Type it out again. Right there. And then each time f dot push back new f. Okay, there's your f's. What the f, right? Okay. That's interesting. That's just interesting. So if n is 3, you're going to get that and then 2 new f's pushed in. Okay. So speaking of if n is 3, oh. So then the answer is going to be n. Oh. Oh, lordy, lordy, lordy. So the answer is going to be what? 2 times 2 divided by f of 1 times 2 divided by f of 2 times 2 divided by f of 3. So 2 to the 1 plus n, 2 to the 1 plus n, divided by, consecutively dividing by those. Oh, okay, we can do that. Hold up, bruh. Hold up. We can just divide them as we make them. We don't even need to. Right here. And here we would go. Do we need a vector? No, we don't, actually, for the s. It's just going to be a float. It's going to be the answer. The float s is going to equal pow 2 comma n plus 1, right, for the start. And then each time through here, we're just going to divide s divide equals new f. So we don't need to make the vector. We just need to do that, and then we don't need the vector f. Oh wait, yes we do, because we're using it in the calculation for the first one. Okay, never mind. To make the vector, we're using the vector to calculate the vector. What's the vector, Victor? Does that work? Found 4. Is it? Wait. Is that close? 30 seconds. Well. I was busy. Okay. So, I started late. All right. Moving on. See if we can play again. Anybody got music? Anybody got music up in here? We don't really need that. Stars so bright. Okay. Constellation. In the dark, supernova, light explodes, sky ignites, colors show. Supernova, Light explodes, sky ignites, colors show. Chat, sing it. Ba-da-da-da-dum, ba-da-bum, ba-ba-ba-dum, ba-da-da-bum, ba-da-da-da-dum, ba-da-da-bum, ba-bum-ba-bum-ba-bum, ba-da-da-bum, ba-da-da-bum, bum-bum-bum-bum, ba-da-ba-da-bum, bum-ba-da-bum, ba-bum, bum-ba-bum-ba-bum. Da 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 dun, da da dun, da da dun. Supernova, light explodes, sky ignites, colors show. Oh, where's this T Sprite? What is that? Have you got Sprite for T? Oh, category, subcategory. Oh. Oh, I guess I'm just keeping track of each one. And I don't use it, I don't do anything with it at the moment, so. Oh, I see. RGBA, the color holds the texture. Show. Oh, I see. That's the beginning. Yeah. And then GLP rotation times texture rotation. This is not a rotated thing, though. That's the coordinates. So it would almost be better down here to go rotation coordinates times. I'm just going to update this variable. Just because it's driving me nuts. And then here's the coordinate. Variable getting the rotation. So just if anybody knows this, it doesn't, or wants to know a rotation, is right here. That is it for rotating a 2D object. I just wanted to let everybody know that. What time is it on my stream? 1:17:30. Okay. That'd be a good point for a short right there. Hold on, go up to the top. Okay. 1:17:30. Short clip 2D rotation matrix. Easy. There. If I remember that, that's a good spot. But because this is all it takes to rotate the textures. There's no other magic going on. You're just multiplying by, finding out the radians, so each separate point is a rotation. And then you're putting it into the matrix too, using the cosine and the sine, and one of the signs is negative. That's it. And it's pretty easy to remember now that I think of it. Maybe I'll remember this in the future. That the matrix 2 rotation, you see the cosines are both on the outside. And then the sines are on the inside, with the right being positive and the left being negative. So if you wanted to memorize the matrix for rotation, that's kind of a good way to go, right? Interesting. Okay, so we're not quite finished. Let's change all of these here. I don't think it's used after this point. Yeah. So let's go, how do I do the substitute quick replace? Control H. Okay, so hold on, Control H. There we go. I don't know that, but I'll remember it. So we want to replace GLP underscore rotation. In the selection, and we want to replace all of them. There we go. I mean, that'll still work. There's not. Just going to make sure, of course, that. Yeah, there's the rotation. Okay, so if we want to go down to it, where is it? Points in it? Where are we at? So XY, RGBA, size, type, the two, and then the rotation. Okay. So for each one, we don't even need this T-sprite thing, although I can see that as being part of an engine that you'd want to do later, you know, because I wanted to categorize all of these sprites. But anyways, so let's just int I equals 0. So let's go like this, because each one is 32 by 32, and if there's 1920 divided by 32, that means we can fit 60 of them at one scale across the bottom of the screen. Let's do that. So that'll give us 60. And then what we want to do is just add a point, 0. So 0 is the index into the array to draw to OpenGL. That's, yeah. Okay, XY. So we're just going to start from the leftmost side of the screen, which in the X is -1. And we're going to add as we go. And we're going to go across 60, but we're going to go across 2. So the entire length of the screen goes from -1 to +1. So I'm going to take 2 and divide by 60. So each one is going to be 0.033. So as we 033, so we're in the loop here, so we're going to multiply that by I. So that's going to be this, and then multiply by I, and that'll give us an X coordinate. The Y coordinate's going to be the same. Let's have it just be, let's see, -0.8. And then RGBA, I think we need to use, like, what are these? I think that's what we need. Oh, and then I see the next one, 64. I should have just copied that. And then category, subcategory, what? Counter. Oh, that's just choosing oh, okay. So this is the one that we're looking for right here. And then random 365, what is that? Oh, rotation. Oh, okay. So for counter, I guess we want to find where one of these is on here. That we want to be like our character. We could actually try to use... Characters don't really start until down here. Way down here. Okay. I've used this guy before. This is a Fred Flintstone kind of a guy. You could use him. Or any of these guys. So let's see where these are at, though. Because it's 64 by 95, so we just want to see. Where are these guys at that I want to use? Like this guy here. 64. So it looks like he's at about 23 and then maybe 60. 23 by 60. So where's that? So 23 times 65, is it? 64. Okay. And then plus another 60. So 1532. We'll try that first for your first guess of what he might be. And we don't need to cast it to a float because I just put the little F. Random 365. We don't care about a rotation. We'll just let it do it. Oh, is this the size? That's okay. 64. Actually, 32 is the size. Isn't that right? I don't even, let's make sure. Add points right here. Okay. RGBA, then size. So 32 is the size. Type X and Y, which is going to be 3, and then 1532, and then rotation. So type Y, it doesn't say. R type Y is the actual texture number. Okay, there it is. There it is right there. Yeah. So that, I think that'll work. So we're just going to get not a platform, but our character at the bottom of the screen there. Oh, except I was editing down here and Alright, we got to get another song going. We got to get some jam going here. Hold on. Okay, well, let's save. And that'll do it. I think that'll do it. Oh, except they're all over there. And then what's with that texture? So did I do that right? Each one's going to be 2.0 divided by 60. Oh, and then you multiply that by 1920. 64. So, yeah, that'll work. So why isn't that? Wait, if it's 64... Zero 6656 I think is better. Okay, so we're getting not the texture that I was looking for, but let's see, where's the mouse? Where is it at? Oh, there it is. You can come back. Where you at? Not enough showing on the screen to actually... Okay. So we should actually put a little indication of... We can go into the shader and do some... but anyways. So let's go... Where is that graphic? By the way. So here's what we were aiming for. And what is the one we got? We got something like... Oh, up here. Alright, hold on, let's count. This is best done in Paint. See, this is why I wanted to make a little tile editor for this. Let's just edit this in Paint. We'll figure out where this guy is. Okay. So a full screen here is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. Wait, look at these. We should... Okay, let's just do tiles here. Hold on. Let's just get some tiles, because that's what we're actually drawing. I don't know where I'm trying to draw a person. Let's choose one of these. See if we can get at least one of these. So it's 64 times 3. And what is that? 64 times 3. 192. Okay, so let's choose that as our number. 192. See if that'll give me a platform looking thing at the bottom. Yeah, pretty much. Let's set the rotation to 0 for all of them. And move them close together. I think that's because... Is that aspect ratio? So closer together means 5? That's quite a few pixels though, I don't know if... Okay. Also, how many are we drawing? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10. Okay, so maybe we are going closer to that. Okay, well that gives us a platform. Oh, and look, it moves like that. So how come there, on my screen anyways, it looks like there's, yeah. I think it's because they're just slightly over each other. Still too close? You know, I bet it's that sampling. It's not actually how close they are to each other, they're overlapping, it's the sampling of the texture. Let's just cut it in just a slight bit. So up here when I sample the texture, this is the mouse stuff here. Yeah. So, but the texture, sprite texture, times. Okay, so this is the offset to start, and this is the size. So let's go this, and then we'll also do times 0.95. See, we'll draw it in just a little bit. Although in 32, if I wanted to draw in closer like 1 pixel, 0.03, and I'm going by 0.5. Okay, that'll work, that'll work, that'll work. No? No. Could be the other side too, so what we would want to do is add just a slight amount to the X offset. Add just a slight amount. Oh, actually, we could add 1 pixel. Yes, I know that by heart. Let's see what that does. Well, it did take away the line. I think it's because I added the pixel to the X. So let's just take it out on the Y. I think it's just the X that's messing us up, which is weird. Yeah, there we go. So the Y has an interesting one now. Why is that, I wonder? Why? No. Plus 0 and it... Oh, the other way around. I should have went the other way around. Okay. I think that's pretty good now. And that's a good platform right there. And we can choose another one if we don't like the looks of that particular one. For example, what one is that? I know, I just like this interface better. Where's the thing? I just like this interface better. Okay, so let's go up here. And what did I send in? Oh, is it these right here? Weird. No, it's got to be up here. Oh, is it that, like that one? So if we add another 64, are we going to get the Rocky thing? Add another 64, so 250. Yeah. Oh. Oh. Cool. That's weird. That's weird. That's totally weird. Oh. Okay, so we have a platform. And when we actually load, I like the size, the location that I had it right there. So I would say right about here. And what is that? I don't actually know. 0.7? No. If the middle of the screen is 0, the bottom of the screen is -1. That's about 0.45. But y is always kind of skewed a little bit, so let's go 3. See if that'll initialize that right. Okay, that looks good. Okay. All right. And so let's go up here. And let's go Boolean enable movement equals false. Going to start at false. And then the stuff that controls the movement for the update stuff there, buttons, keys. Okay, so it's in here. Enable movement. Should we put that? Let's just have it be in the class, actually. So it would be more easily accessible to the class. Button count, Erclangs. We're not using Erclang. There's no way. Pretty sure we're not. Enable movement equals false. And then down here, okay. Oh, interesting. We could use this as kind of like a little effect, couldn't we? Okay, and if we I'm a little bit into it there. All right, we got you. We got you. So let's do 3 different levels, I think. So -3, then all the way up to +1 is what? 13. So if, actually, let's just go up another, up to, wait, so add 4, right? So from -3 we'll go to 0.1. Then add 4, we'll go to 0.5. Okay, that'll print with those, but then what's another good? So if we add 64, and about 82, so if we add 82 plus 80 and 2, okay, and then to that if we add another 10 abouts, what happened? What do you, oh. Let's see what that looks like. Okay, there's 3 tracks, right? We could even have 1 more, 2 more. Okay, hold on. First of all, move these all down. Well, we're going to have one more then. Add 5, was it? So, or 4? Okay. Wait, add 4. Let's do that. Yeah, and then we can add one more. Perfect, perfect. Hee hee. Okay, let's go 8. Do you want to squeeze them even closer? Should we go 3, 5? 3, 5. I don't know what that did. Okay. Except for those bottom 2 are way down that we can move those up, which is nice. So move this one. Oh, minus 3, 5, so that should be there. And then minus 3, 5, move this one to there. Now we can move them all down. Okay, so that gives us 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that's our racing track for our escape. That's cool. We did this. Okay. I actually did something towards a game jam. And imagine that. Okay, I'm going to work more on this later. There's only one I can't rate out. All right. Thanks, everybody, for tuning in.